Alright guys, so I'm on the Master Pro. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna do an errand. I haven't ridden the Master Pro in a little while, so it's daytime. Let's take this thing for a spin, shall we? Woo! Wind is an issue with the Pro, that is for sure, man. No handle, no problem. Just hold its upper lip. Whoa! What the hell? I'm always getting this safety margin when I have the EUC World app on. Shit, gotta switch this app out. Switch it to the darkness bot. Darkness bot coming up, 48 miles an hour, not bad. If any of you guys know why I'm getting a safety margin at 48, 47 miles an hour with the EUC World app, let me know. It's very annoying. I checked on the EUC World app stats online. I wasn't even near my safety margin. I had it low, I had it high, same result. So let me know what's going on, guys. I gotta get to Quincy in 10 minutes. Woo, man, the wind is an issue for this thing. Man, but it's fun, that is for sure. Main difference between this and the V13, you do not feel the weight. Shit. Oh my gosh, the wind is a freaking problem, dude. It's a problem. Frick. Oh my gosh, pure fun on this Master Pro, man. Holy smokes. My gosh. What? And the weather is perfect. It's like almost 70 degrees. So this is ideal temperature we're talking here. No stress on the battery at all. You know, it's crazy that I can actually be reckless on the Master Pro with it being so big. You know what I mean? The weight is not an issue, as I've stated. I have a tilt back at 48 miles an hour, so it's tilting back right now. Maybe that's why I'm getting the safety margin. I'm gonna set that back. So yeah, tilt back on the Master Pro works just fine. I'm not sure if it works with the EUC World app, but it absolutely works with the Darkness Bot app. It's freaking awesome. And it's very strong, so you can feel it, you know? Man, what the frick? I'm already at 48 miles an hour, like in seconds, dude. Seconds! Frick! Woo! Whoa, busy traffic, oh gosh. What have we got? My worst camera work ever, to be honest. And I made it. I make it on time though? Is it open still? Yes. Woo! Fun! Master Pro, one word, fun. Real world riding, guys. The real world. Institutions have no problem. So, what's up? So I was going on a quick ride with the Master Pro, and this is a Master Pro that was loaned to me by EUC Vibes. So I was having a fun time until I came from up there, turned around, and I was kind of going a little fast. I turned around here, and this massive freaking sidewalk, it's not the sidewalk's fault, but if you look, it's like a funnel. It literally, look, it's like a funnel. Funnels into a much narrower street. Then it expands again. So this is not typical. Either way, it's a terrible excuse, but I'm not making an excuse. But either way, I came from over there, like right here. Came here, I saw it like right here, right? So then I tried to get away from it. I bent, straightened out the wheel went away, and then I ended up on here and tried to run it off. And I ran as far as I could, but I think I fell immediately, like right here. And my camera went all the way over there. My pants are destroyed. You know, that's the only thing that happened. Oh no, this happened and this happened. But as far as the wheel is concerned, you have this crack that goes from the top all the way down. No fun. Not happy about that. And I have this scratch right here. So, damn it! I'm not a happy camper, but I owe UC Vibes a shell for his battery, or yeah, and possibly this. So, yeah. Oh, damn it. Man, I typically don't ride in a place I don't know, but this is crazy right here. This is nuts. Like, I did not expect that at all. Either way, don't give me a wheel to review. Because, you know, that's why I don't like reviewing people's wheels, man. Damn, you know how often I ride, dude, in Boston? None of this ever happened. But it's because it's someone else's wheel, and what can go wrong will go wrong. Especially when it doesn't belong to you. So, that's what's up.